Bar soap or liquid soap? Which one is better for business? If you are confused about whether to start a bar soap business or liquid soap business, this video will help you decide. So let's get right into the video and start proper. Yeah, guys. Welcome back to Lamsey Space, where we talk about practical business skill ideas. Today, I will be comparing bar soap and liquid soap to help you choose the one for your business. Bar soap is cheaper to start and lasts longer, but it takes more time to produce and cure. In the other hand, liquid soap is faster to produce and sell quicker, but raw materials can be slightly more expensive. Okay? You understand? When we talk about bar soap is a little bit cheaper. Yeah, it's even cheaper because when you are to use the three method that I always talk about in my video, it is way, way more cheaper compared to liquid soap. You understand? The problem with laundry bar soap is that it will take time for it to cure. But unlike liquid soap, that is liquid detergent, once you make it, you can even begin to sell it to your customer the following day. There's no need for you to keep it to cure, you have curing problem and all of that. No. And liquid detergent is very fast to produce. You make your quick money, you sell it. But what about the raw material? It's freaking what? Expensive. Okay? So my question is, which one should you start first or should you start? If you have small capital and patience, I I advise you start bar soap. Bar soap is good. Yeah, it's very, very good. Like you have small capital, you can go into laundry bar soap. But if you want faster sale and cash flow, liquid soap or liquid detergent may be better. Yes, that one may be better. So that is all I have to say in this video. We don't need to prolong this video. I don't need it to be too long. And my advice for you, there is no perfect answer. Yes. Choose what fits your capital, market and time. That is all. If you know you have small capital there, choose what fits in your capital, like what you are going to do. Yes. And this laundry bar soap you are even saying depends on your recipe. Like this one you are seeing at this white bar soap. I made it yesterday and it's very strong. Like I can leave it for 3 days or 4 days for it to cure. Then I'll take it to the market. You understand? So thank you so much if you have watched to this extent. I love you and I will never take your love for granted. Guys, please subscribe to this channel so that you'll be learning more of practical business skill. Bye.